Hello everyone and welcome to Plaisir Cadeaux and Fleurs flower channel. Today I'd like to talk about a flower that's been misunderstood for so long, the carnation. Once labeled as cheap and outdated, today is one of the most in-demand flower in modern floristry. Let's find out what brought on this change. In the 80s, the carnations got a really bad rap, and they were recognized as a cheap supermarket funeral arrangement flower. So the florists weren't using them as often, and growers started realizing that the longevity of this flower could add a lot of values if the look of it was altered a little bit. So they started growing them differently. Now we have carnations with double colors like this one. We have carnations with a variety of ruffled petals like this one. We have very muted on trend colors like cappuccino and brown. We have tie-dyed carnations. Very smart of the growers. It's encouraging the creativity of florists. They are now, if you will, the chameleon of all flowers. They are trendy, stylish, adaptable, and incredibly long-lasting. So why not use them? The only thing you need to be mindful of is the cultural differences. In different countries, carnation has different meanings. It can go from love and passion, like in Spain, they're very often used in flamingo dancers' costumes because they do represent love and passion. In Korea, for example, mothers and fathers are always given a carnation to honor them. However, if you have clients who are Russians or Ukrainians, they associate carnations with memorials. On May 9, which is their Victory Day, they lay a red carnation for fallen soldiers. So they don't really appreciate for celebratory bouquets to have a carnation because of that strong association. Just be mindful who your clients are and who you're making the bouquet for so that you're not offending anyone. So let me show you now how to use a carnation. When you purchase a carnation from wherever you buy them from, be it supermarket or your florist, they usually come extremely tight and small like this. All you have to do is open them up with your fingers very gently, and it would double in size. Here's a new tight carnation, and here's the one we just opened up. The size has doubled. The other way I like to use a carnation, just to give it a bit of variety in my bouquets, is that I take the center off a carnation to expose the green middle part. And now look at the difference. Same flower, different look. I just love carnations. They're so versatile. I love to add a little bit of this to my bouquet, sometimes all like this, sometimes mix of regular look and the new look. Very fun to work with. So if you're still thinking that carnations are an outdated flower, it's time to look again. From cultural significance to modern elegance, they have earned their place in luxury floral design, and we're here for it. If you've enjoyed this segment and you've learned something new in this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.